See you on the gram, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, slurping, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty you deserve it.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B and welcome back to my channel. Okay, y'all, so first things first, I love this hair. Like I told you guys in the first video, this hair mimics my hair so much. I love it. Like, my brother already thought this was my real hair. He couldn't believe this was a wig, y'all. This is a wig. And another thing, this is my first time doing OD plucking, y'all. Let me know how this looks. Like, this is my first time I did OD plucking. And I see a lot of hairstyles do it all the time, and I was like, I want to try that overly plucked look so it looks natural. And I don't know if I'm really feeling it. I don't know. I'm low-key feeling it though, because it looks natural and I love the way it looks. This is my first time doing dramatic baby hairs OD, and I love it. But I don't know, does it look bald to you guys? Like, I don't know. You guys let me know down below if I should go back to the way I was doing it, or like start doing like this, but a little more hair, like not so much plucking. Before I even continue talking about this hair, do you guys notice something different? What's different, y'all? My quality. Your girl got her camera back, so it's no stopping me. It was never any stopping me with my phone. But y'all, like, I really got my camera back. I'm so happy now. I can do all the challenges I wanted to do. I just recently filmed a prank, which will be going out after this video, or maybe before, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, your girl got her camera back. Your girl hair look good. Like, I'm jacking this. I love how natural it looks, y'all. This is Elva hair. Elva hair. So good. It looks so natural. I love this hair. It looks so natural. I'm really in love with this hair. But also, guys, I have a coupon code for you guys. It's going to be right here on the screen, and that's going to be ARIE to get $10 off. But y'all, all the details for this hair will be down below. The exact link to this wig will be down below. Go ahead and get it. I love this wig. It feels soft. And this is just water. I'm not going to put any product in it. I love this natural look it gives me, so I'm just going to throw water on it and go about my day. But like I said, y'all, this is Elva hair. I'm in love with this hair. On the road to 37K. Let's get it. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Hey, he's body baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of his mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I say I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me. His body, baby, oh. Wigs, bad man, I see. Bulaka. Hey, his body, baby, oh. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She said she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me. His body, baby, oh. Wigs, bad man, I see. Bulaka. Hey, his body, baby, oh. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stingers and guns, I tell them slap for none.